You guys were on the scene all across Austin covering red carpets for this year's South by Southwest, chatting with stars, producers, and everyone in between involved with these films. So let's get to chatting. The Sun Never Sets focuses on complicated relationships and the infamous returning to your ex, or potentially. How do you hope that people see themselves in this film, and what do you hope the takeaway is?
God, I never know what the takeaway will be. You just never know what somebody will connect to, and I love being surprised at what somebody relates to. And I think our goal was to just tell like an authentic story about the complications of being a person and the complications of love, and everyone's like doing their best and making mistakes and trying to figure it out, and has like good pure intentions but inevitably kind of F's things up at times. So yeah, I mean, it's kind of loosely based at first of a real experience for Joe, and then as he cast it, I think we all brought our own stuff to it, and so then it kind of evolves into something new. And I think the headline of Joe's process is collaboration, and it was I've never made a movie quite this way before, and it was just the greatest experience I've ever had. It was just so much fun and really fulfilling. So I hope people will see that, you know?
Okay. Yeah. Very good. Okay, really quick, you and your sister Elle have done such an amazing job of building up your careers and supporting each other along the way. How exciting is it to be on this ride with your sister?
Oh, it's the best. I mean, it is the best. She was here yesterday. We went to the premiere of the show that she's in that our company helped to produce, and then we get to go back to the hotel room together, you know, and like have a sleepover. So it's the best to just have the person that you love the most understand everything that you're going through and enjoy the highs, and then support you through the lows, and couldn't ask for more.
Yeah, sibling relationships are the best. Dakota, thank you so much. For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage and more content from A-List, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.